Dr. Sanjay Gupta, Vice Chancellor of World University of Design. This university was established as a core design-focused university only, with breaking all silos and bringing all creative streams under one roof. The concept was floated in around 2015, and now it has been 8 years that our existence has been there. The whole purpose of making this university and starting this focused effort at design was that I thought that India is now at a stage where it has to stop being just a vendor to the global needs, but becoming a leader. You do not become a leader by competing on pennies and pences. You become a leader by creating new products, innovative products, and taking them to the market at our own conditions. And that's how you become a leader in this global trading space. Design is horizontal across all verticals. So whether it is the hospitality space or wellness or construction or manufacturing or services or any other sector, design can make a difference, can get you value added anywhere. And that is the emerging area into which World University of Design has been established. We have nearly 30 specializations, starting from fashion design and textile design and communication and business to graphics and animation and film and video and game design and interior design, product design, transportation design, digital product design, etc., etc., besides architecture and visual arts and performing arts. So this is the kind of ecosystem which has been formed by breaking all silos. We have now over 1,200 students here coming in from 22 states of India, a very diverse and inclusive crowd with over 60% as girl students. And this is where the university is making a difference. Our outgoing placement salaries and average salaries is equaling almost the average salaries of institutions like IITs. We were very, very happy when the Make in India initiative was announced. But Make in India by itself does not serve the purpose of making India a leader. Make in India has to go together with design in India. And that is something which, if we have been following Prime Minister Modi, he has been slowly advocating about this. He started talking about design recently, also about industry segments like animation and gaming coming of age. So design has, and I also know for sure, since I have been talking about it, that there is a design-only sector, or recognition of design as a sector is also underway. So the government of India is very soon, perhaps, I'm hoping, going to come up with a large recognition for the design sector, and this sector is all set to grow by leaps and bounds.